So we are group number 27. We had the problem. A kid rolls his toy car off a 70 centimeter high table. The car hits the ground at a horizontal distance from the edge of the table of 85 centimeters. What was the velocity with which the car left the table? And what is the angle of the car's velocity with respect to the floor? So to find V naught, which is our velocity with which the car left the table here, we're going to be using one of the kinematic equations. We're going to use y initial equals velocity of y initial times t plus 1/2 the acceleration in the y direction times t squared. We know that Vy is equal to 0, so we're just going to let that go to 0. So we have y initial equals 1/2 a in the y direction t squared. Our y initial is here. It's 0.7 meters. We converted centimeters to meters. Move the decimal place 2 spaces back. Equals 1/2. Our acceleration in the y direction is gravity, 9.8 meters per second squared. And then we're going to find t first so that we can plug it into the velocity equation. Velocity equals distance over time. So t equals the square root of 2 times 0.7 over 9.8. And that gives us 0.378 seconds. Now plugging the time into the velocity that we want, we get the x final over t, because we want it here. We're going to have 0.85 meters over the time that we got, 0.378 seconds, which gives us 2.25 meters per second. So that's V naught. We got that. Now to find theta, which is this angle here, we are going to look at the components. So this is V, and V is made up of Vy and Vx. So we know that, okay, we're going to find theta. So we know that Vx is equal to V naught, and it is 2.25 meters per second. Vy is equal to the acceleration times time, which is 9.8 times 0.378. So Vy equals 3.704 meters per second. Now to find theta, we have Vy and Vx, so we have the opposite and the adjacent, so we're going to use tangent. So the tangent of theta equals Vy over Vx. To solve for theta, we're going to take theta is equal to the inverse tangent of Vy over Vx, and the inverse tangent of wrong one. Inverse tangent of 3.704 over 2.25 equals approximately 58.7 degrees. And that's it.